How to transfer Google Play Games data to another account. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now open up the Google Play Games application on your device and then make sure that you are logged into your account. Then tap on the three dotted lines at the top right corner of the screen. Then tap on Settings. Now here you can see the option of change account for games. So this app does not allow to transfer the data to another account. You can change the account for different games and choose the games and account differently. And you can even delete the games account and data, but you cannot transfer the Google Play Games data to another account. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.